Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm here in the mountains in Colorado, and as you can see, let me show you around quickly. We are at 11,000 feet high, and as you can see, maybe you can see the snow right there, and the mountains, all the green, and I can feel how calming and nourishing it is. I can feel it is kind of soothing the nervous system and really calming us down, helping us slowing down a bit from everyday busy and demanding life, where you really have to think, organize and plan on a daily basis, and it feels really good sometimes to take a break from it, to see and feel more clearly. And I guess there's something quite powerful that happens here, and it's not just about looking at beauty only. Yes, there is not only beauty from the outside, but also from the inside. And I'm thinking more of that, that nature reminds us of a deeper connection, something you can feel right here in our heart, not just outside, but also from within. And it is like when you are in the middle of this green, it kind of speaks to something ancient and knowing, some sort of wisdom that we as the human being intuitively can sense inside of us. Have you felt a moment when you were in nature last time, how it really relaxes you from the inside? And even on a physical level, there's a real exchange happening when you're in nature now. When you breathe out the carbon dioxide, the trees inhale your carbon dioxide, and you breathe in the oxygen that our body needs for all our processes. So there's a constant giving and taking happening there, and it's a relationship, a partnership, so to speak, actually a living, breathing partnership between us and the nature. Now I'm getting crazy, right? So when I'm here pausing and feeling what this moment wants me to learn or to listen to, the sound of the air, the sound of the silence, the birds, the bees, almost giving a singing performance. All this is telling me we're not separate from nature. We are part of it, and actually, yes, we are nature. The human being is nature. From my feeling and perspective, every cell in our body, every fiber, bone, ligament, blood, all electrical impulses, our thoughts, and so on are part of nature, some form of aliveness. So maybe when you're feeling overwhelmed or a bit lost at times, you can remember this, that we're part of it, and going outside can help to calm us down, and the green can embrace us and allow nature to remind you who you are. And if you don't have access to nature at that moment of turbulence or busyness in your daily life, you can try to close your eyes right now and just practice with me right now. Let's close your eyes, and this practice is just a minute. Close your eyes, breathe in, relax on the outward breath, and think of a moment where you were last time in nature, where you felt good and you felt the connection and the grounding and calming down a little bit more every minute. So let's think about it, let's feel into that picture, into that moment. Breathing in and relax on the outward breath. Feel that moment with all your senses. Hear what you hear. See what you see. Feel what you feel. Breathing in and relax on the next outward breath. Relax that you're calming down and that you're part of that exploration, of that experience at this very moment. And you can do this at any time in your daily life, taking a break from all these demandings and the stresses that are challenging us. One more inhalation and relax on the next exhalation. Thank you for watching.